Hello and welcome. This is Decotex, and in this session we are demonstrating a simple yet powerful automation using N10. The workflow monitors a specific Google Drive folder and sends an instant notification to a Telegram channel whenever a new file is uploaded or created. This helps team stay updated in real time without constantly checking the folder manually. The workflow begins with the Google Drive trigger, which watches the folder for any changes. Then a function note. It extracts the file name and type, captures uploader information if available, generates a clean multi-line message formatted for Telegram including a clickable link to the file. Then a Telegram note to send the message. This is N10 folder which we are monitoring in Google Drive. Let's create a let's create a let's create a file with the name of N10 testing. The new file is created. Let's execute the workflow now and check the response. The drive catches and the message has been sent to a chat. File name N10 testing, type Google Apps document, uploader by name and the link of that document. This automation is simple but yet powerful, from monitoring a Google Drive folder to sending formatted Telegram alerts. Everything is automated and efficient. Thanks for watching.